Hey guys, so today we're doing another unboxing video, and we have a box here that just got dropped off from plantogram.com. So let me take this round to the front. So this is the box here. I flipped it around. Let me cut the tape off now. So I did lay the box down. I opened both ends, but typically you want to open the bottom end so you could pull the plant out from the bottom. It was a heavy box, which means there is a big root ball. In this case, there is a pot, I'm assuming filled with dirt and properly packaged, as always. I always give props to Plantogram for that, because I have never gotten a package that wasn't potted and the root ball wasn't unsecure. So they get high praises for that. So let's pull this out. Go to the left a little bit with this. Okay, so just from the leaves, you guys know what this is already. Okay, this is my tree. This is a 3-gallon Bombay mango. It says on the tag, Bombay is an Indian or Jamaican favorite and is considered very popular because of it being so easy to twist from the pit of the mango and able to spoon the flesh out. This mango has a very sweet, rich, and unique taste. The fruit ripens from June to July. Okay, so that's a good summary of the mango. But I did read online that the fruit is originally from India and was brought to Jamaica as a seedling. So it's very popular in Jamaica. A lot of Jamaicans like it, as well as Julie mango. Me and my husband thought it would be a good addition to our mango collection. Let's look at the graft. You can see here, there's the graft. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. This is a nice 3-gallon mango, and I'm happy with my purchase. So what we're gonna do is just unwrap everything here, water it. Even if it's still moist from travel, I'll still water and leave this in the shade for a day, and then I can put it out with the rest of the mangoes. Yeah, but that's it. Thanks for watching my unboxing video. And you guys have a good weekend.